Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the clutch in your Thermomix TM21. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM21 to ensure safety. Next, remove the bowl and the lid. Set them aside in a safe place. Now locate the screws on the base of the machine. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 screws holding the base cover in place. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. With the base cover removed, you will see the motor and the clutch assembly. The clutch is typically located near the motor shaft. Inspect the clutch for any signs of wear or damage. If it looks worn out, it's time for a replacement. To remove the old clutch, use your pliers to grip it firmly and twist it counterclockwise. It should come off with a bit of force. If you encounter resistance, double check for any screws that may still be holding it in place. Now, take your new clutch and align it with the motor shaft. Push it down gently and twist it clockwise until it locks into place. Make sure it's secure, as a loose clutch can lead to further issues. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will help maintain the performance of your Thermomix. Now it's time to reattach the base cover. Align it carefully and press it down. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. Once the base cover is back in place, reattach the bowl and lid. Plug in your Thermomix TM21 and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you find that you're not comfortable performing this repair, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. You can also receive a quote before any repair is done, ensuring transparency in our services. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the clutch on your Thermomix TM21. Regular maintenance will keep your appliance running smoothly for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.